Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix Windows 11 restart automatically after shutdown. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your Windows 11 restart automatically after shutdown, then I will show you simple method how to fix this issue. First of all, what you have to do, you have to just click on this search menu, then type here view advanced system setting. Here you will find view advanced system setting, click on this. After clicking advanced, you will find startup and recovery. In this you will find one option setting, click on that. You have to just uncheck this option automatically restart. Then click on OK, then click on apply, then click OK. After that, still you are facing the issue, then try the second method, edit power plan, then click on power options, then click on choose what the power button do. After that, you will find here change settings that are currently unavailable, click on this. Here you will find turn on fast startup. You have to just uncheck this option, then click on save changes. And the third method is you have to open this device manager, click on this device manager. Here you will find your Ethernet connection, right click on that, click on the properties. Here if you are connected through internet, you can select this. If you are connected through Wi-Fi, you can select this driver, right click on that, click on property, click on power management. You have to uncheck this option, allow this computer to turn off this device to save power. You have to just uncheck this option. After that, click OK, then close this window, then open the registry editor, click on this registry editor, double click on HK local machine, expand the software, expand the Microsoft, expand the Windows ND folder, here you will find current version. Under current version, you need to find Win logon. In right side, you need to find power down after shutdown. You can see power down after shutdown, double click on that, then change the value from 1 to 0, then click OK, then close this window. After completion of this, you have to restart your PC. After restarting, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Windows 11 restart automatically after shutdown. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.